There's a coffee shop that I want us to try, but how am I gonna take you in a dirty Hellcat? So we're gonna fix that right now. Look at all that brake dust. All right, we're gonna let the tires dry out so we can do some tire shine. That's more like it. All right, let's head on out. And I think there's a gas station around the corner, so let's go ahead and do that. I literally have less than a quarter tank. No, thank you. No, thank you. Okay. 91. For some of you that get upset I'm not putting 93, it's hard in California to find a gas station that has 93 in the area. So the best that I can do is 91. I had under a quarter tank, so I'm gonna guess it might be closer to like 75 to 80. How much I'm gonna end up filling up the tank. Already past the 75. Is it gonna be 80? I was wrong. It'll be more. Oh, okay. $1 over. Can we make it to even? Come on. Oh my god. Am I gonna make it? Ah. Of course it'd be by 1 cent. No, gracias. Put my phone down here and grabbing my fob for the kill switch so you can see where it's at. There we go. So nice. Wasn't even going fast. Hopefully there's parking or I will continue going in a circle. Ooh, are you leaving, sir? Or is that a parking spot? Oh, wait a minute. There's a parking spot right here. Nice. Okay. I think we can make it. Can't see. Camera's in my way. Oh god, camera's in the way. There it is. I swear I know how to park in reverse. Nice. I'm gonna blame it on the GoPro. Back up because, you know, short Latina problems.
Like an auto and out when it comes to that. I'm not a fan of it, but a lot of my coworkers and friends are fans of it.
Are you usually like a fan of whiskey or?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I figured that if you're probably not a fan of whiskey, maybe it wouldn't be good.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll try the creme brulee latte.
Sure.
And can I do that blended? Is that like?
We can do that one blended too.
Okay, I'll do blended.
Blended creme brulee decaf with whip and a secret twist, right? Gotta get in it?
For out of 7.
Out of 7?
Yeah. You can put just out of ARA.
Gotcha.
No problem. I get it. Okay, thank you so much. I'll see you around.
Yeah. See you next time.
Thanks.
First.
Lock us in. Put my snackies down. Hide you. And let's go home. Clutch, 10 out of 10. I got the creme brulee. I think it's blended, so it's almost like a frappuccino. Not too much caramel. Also, I can definitely feel the heat coming off as I'm leaning on it. But same time next week. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll see you in the next video. Drive safe. Bye.